Hi guys, I will now show you how to prepare a simple dal with a yummy flavorful tadka of roasted garlic and tomatoes. This is the list of ingredients required. In a pressure cooker, take quarter cup Toor dal or Arhar dal which has been washed well and 1.5 cups water. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. In a deep bottomed vessel or a saucepan, heat 2 teaspoons oil. Add 8 to 10 cloves of finely minced garlic. Spread out the garlic in one layer to help in even cooking of the garlic. On medium flame, keep stirring frequently to prevent burning. By around 2 minutes, the garlic will start turning a light golden brown like this. Now, add the onion and cook till onion becomes soft and translucent. This will also take about 2 minutes. Now, add half a teaspoon ginger paste and continue frying on medium flame till the raw smell of the ginger goes away. At this stage, add 3 tomatoes, 2 green chilies and 1 teaspoon salt. Cook till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. You can cover the lid of the vessel to help cook the tomatoes faster. After around 2 to 3 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes are cooked well like this. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 to 3 generous pinches of hing or asafoetida. Cook for 30 seconds. Pour in the boiled dal. Using a whisk, mash the dal slightly. Add half a cup of water, quarter cup coriander leaves and mix well. Check the taste and add more salt if required. Cover the lid and cook on low flame for 10 minutes to blend and infuse all the flavors into the dal. Our roasted garlic and tomato dal is ready. Serve this with roti sabji or hot rice and enjoy. If you like this video, please like and share it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, for more such easy recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.